Hello everyone, I'm Ali Aisha. Today, I'm going to teach you about how to do graph in Excel.
So first, let us know what is our problem first. Khalif working as a data assistant in a stationery shop. The manager wants to know which school suppliers sell the most during the week so the shop can plan future stock orders. Help Khalif to analyze the data and create a chart by using Excel formulas and features. This is the data. First, launch your Microsoft Excel. Then, click New. Choose Blank Workbook. And then, click File, New. Save first your document so that your document won't missing when you have finished your work. Click Save As. And then browse. Write your file name, for example. Choose your location to save your folder. And then click Save. Now you can start your work without need to worry that your data will be missing once you finish it. Now we can start to write our data on the Excel. Double click on A1, write item. And then double click on cell B1 to write Monday. C1 Tuesday. D1 Wednesday. And if you want to make it look more fit for your word, you can adjust this according to your word. Next, Thursday. And lastly, Friday. And then, you can fill out the data for item and quantity sold for each day. After you complete fill up the data for item and quantity sold for each day, mix your headings from A1 till F1. Click A1 until F1, highlight it, make it bold and center so they look clear. Right hand click your mouse and then choose bold and center. So it will be centered. Next, highlight the full table. First, highlight the full tables. Go to home. We already in the home. And then click this icon. Choose borders, all borders. Now your data seems more organized. Now in cell G1, write total sold. Now we want to count the total sold for each items from Monday till Friday. We can use formulas, which is formulas sum, which make it sum up the item from Mondays to Friday. The equation is equal to sum B2 until F2. And then press enter. Now this is the total sold from Monday till Friday for pencil. And then we want to do the same thing for each of the item. You can just simply drag your table until down, until the markers. And then every total sold for each item will become for each of it using the same formula. But for this, we can see the formula from B2 until F2, this from B3 until F3, this from B4 until F4, and rulers B5 until F5, and lastly markers from B6 until F6. Now we want to calculate average sold for the whole items that sells from Monday till Friday. Click cell H1, and then type average sold. Now we want to use average formula, which is equal to average. We want to calculate average for B2 until F. We want to calculate average sold for pencil, which is from the row B2 until F2. And then press enter. Now that is the average sold for pencil from Monday until Friday. Just like just now, you can just drag the tables until H6 to get the average sold for each item. And now we already get the average sold for every item. Now we want want to know the higher sales and the lower sales to detect which items are the most popular and which items are the least popular that sell in the stationery shop. In cell G8, type higher sale. And then at cell G9, type lower sale. Then at cell G9, write lowest sale. Then at cell H8, type our formula to calculate the maximum to know which items are on the highest sale. The formula is equal to max, and then choose row G2 until G6 to know our higher sale. Then press enter. For lower sales, we use minimum. The formula is equal to minimum, min, same row G2 until G6. And that is our higher sales and lower sales. At cell I8, we write the name of the item with the highest total, which is 150. The item is notebook. And the lower sale, 40, is rulers. Now we have all the data written on the Excel. We can start making our graph. Highlight your data from A1 until F6, and then click insert. Go to recommended charts. At here, you can choose any type of charts that you want or that are recommended by the Excel. But also, you can go to all charts. For me, there are a lot of types of graph. You can choose column, line, and so on. And each type of graph have a lot of types too. For column, we have clustered column, stack column, 100% column, 3D clustered column, 3D stack column, 3D 100% column, and 3D column. You can choose any types of graph that you think are suitable for you to present to your manager. For example, I choose 3D clustered column, choose this one, and then press OK. And then your chart will appear at here. You can relocate your chart. Right click your mouse, and then choose Move Chart. Choose New Sheet, and this is the chart 1. Press OK. Now your chart at a different location, so it will make looks more organized. Now, organize your chart. Include the chart title. Change the chart title. Now you can also put x-axis and y-axis title. Click this one. Write your axis title by highlighting it. For the y-axis, we will write quantity sold. And then for the x-axis, we write types of school, suppliers. You can edit the font of the axis titles to make it look bigger, so other people can watch it more clearer. You can also change the color of the graph. You can change to blue. You can change anyone that suits with your style. Also, there are a lot of types of styles that you can choose from: black, white, more dimmer, or more darker. And now we have done present our data just now into the graph. Thank you for watching.